How to add a watermark logo in all slides of PowerPoint. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open PowerPoint, open your slides. After that, go to Insert, click on Shape and choose any one of the shape in which you want to insert your logo. Then go to Insert again and choose the option of Picture. Choose the logo which you want to insert in all of your slides in PowerPoint. Manage the shape of the picture inside the shape which you just included. Then after, go to Color. Choose the option of Picture Color option at the bottom. Then after, go to Glow and Soft Edges. There you will see the option of Transparency. Manage the transparency of the logo and then you're good to go. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to insert a logo in your PowerPoint. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.